welcome back to my channel, Araceli Chan DIY. I am currently on vacation. Not right this second, but when you're watching it. So I wanted to make sure I had some videos for you guys so you didn't get bored and forgot about me. So today I'm actually not gonna bring anything new because I'm gonna be jam-packing a lot of stuff in the next week and a half that I have before we go on our vacation. So for those of you who are new, newer, maybe in the past year, there might have been some cool stuff that you guys missed on my channel before. So in today's video, I'm actually gonna share an oldie but goodie. We've come a long way since then, so I hope you guys don't mind. Enjoy the DIY, and yeah, let's get on to it. So to make this amazing chandelier, you will need 4 of these clear Christmas ornaments from Dollar Tree, as well as 4 of these napkin rings, and they do come in a pack of 6, also from Dollar Tree. And then I also used these lights that are from a marquee light. I purchased these at Michael's or one of the craft stores. You can always use the Dollar Tree lights, but I would suggest these because they are brighter. And then also a couple of these hooks. That's what's going to be screwed at the top to hang from your ceiling. And then I am using one of these chains. I lost my train of thought there. It's just a black chain from the planters from Dollar Tree that I spray painted silver, and then of course your foam board. You don't want to miss that. Some bling wrap and some paint. It all depends on how you want to decorate it. And so rather than tell you guys exactly what my measurements were, I went ahead and did a little graph for you to make it a lot easier. And I was having issues when I was recording this video that my camera was zooming in and out, but you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. I did cut out my frames with an X-Acto knife, and then going from there, the 2 pieces that I showed you are the long pieces, and these ones that I'm measuring out right now are going to be the pieces on the side. I did take some black paint and wedding day gold, mixed it together, and taking a paper towel, I went ahead and started painting this. And I love using paper towels to paint. It makes things so much easier. The rest is really self-explanatory, but I'll give you a gist of what I'm doing. So I'm marking the center of the napkin rings, and I'm making a hole with my hot glue gun. You can use the wood burning tool that I've used in other videos, and this is how I'm going to make my bulb. And I'm going to put a little bit of that silver or the bling wrap around the bulb just to make it prettier, and then glue the napkin ring on top.
The things we do, those
So after my frame is all wrapped in that bling wrap, I did go ahead and cut a couple of pieces that I'm going to make an X, and it's going to give it that pretty design. So I did 2 X's on the long pieces and then 1 on the end pieces, as you can see. So after gluing it all together, you can either take that entire frame and then trace inside of it on the foam board piece, but I went the hard way. I don't know why. I took 2 pieces, doubled them up, and glued them together, and that's going to be the piece that's going to go at the top. And here I'm just measuring out where I'm going to put my bulbs in.
White is the color of flowers in springtime, red the color of blood through my veins, blue is the color of when you were leaving. Tell me, let me know what you feel inside, 'cause you don't know me by name, you don't know me by name, it's like you don't know me by name. that the path you are choosing only leads to where you wanna go. Some people say you forgive and forget, but tell me, let me know what you feel inside. 'Cause you don't know me by name. You don't know me by name. It's like you don't know me by name anymore. And blue is the color of when you were leaving. Tell me, let me know what you feel inside. 'Cause you don't know me.
Alright, you guys, that is it for today's video. I really hoped you enjoyed it. I know that some of you may have already seen it, but for those who didn't, I really hope that it sparked some inspiration in your little heart. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. Leave me any comments down below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Alright, see you guys.